this whole thing is going to go back down. It's just going to bend that little tiny stringer that you just put in. These are going to give it strength here. Let me just get this end in. So right here I'm double checking the height of the ground there. There's a magic measurement like 16 3/4 inches, I believe. I would have to look at the instructions. And then right there, for everybody thinks that Cleetus doesn't weld his boat himself, he did a lot of welding there. Some SPF 50 on the legs the second day around, before it went to long pans the third and fourth day. So either way, those stringers, I got an arc shot there. He did really good. I mean, by that time he had it all down. It all went super smooth, and he did a lot of welding on this thing. He just says, "I'm gonna weld this myself. I don't want anybody to weld this for me. I'm gonna get it done." So enjoy the arc shot, and then we'll go a little bit more into time lapse. And then Ghostbusters is coming back to scare some more ghosts away. So right here you see us setting the bulkhead in. Just about a 1-inch tack on the left, a 1-inch tack on the right. Make sure we have the right location on the bottom. And then with the bulkhead in place that much, then we can finally set the sights and start to wrap things up.